In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MyFitnessPal app not working. Easy fixes. If your MyFitnessPal app is freezing, crashing, or refusing to sync, a quick reset through your phone's settings usually clears things up. We're going to do a clean refresh of the app's local data, then sign back in so everything syncs from the cloud. Again, start by finding the MyFitnessPal icon on your phone's home screen or in the app drawer. Instead of opening it, press and hold the icon. That long press should bring up a small menu or reveal an info shortcut. On many Android devices, you'll see a little I for app info or a menu with options like app info and uninstall. You're not deleting the app, you're just heading into its settings page where we can safely manage its storage. Tap App Info. This screen is provided by your phone's operating system, and it's where you can adjust permissions, notifications, battery usage, and most importantly, storage. Think of it as the control center for how the app lives on your device. Next, choose Storage and Cache. On some phones, it might simply say Storage. Here you'll see how much space the app is using for data and cache. Cache is temporary files to help the app load faster, while app data includes things like your local settings and any information the app saved on your device. Now, tap Clear Storage. On some devices, this might be labeled Clear Data. Confirm when prompted. This action resets MyFitnessPal on your phone to a fresh, just installed state. It removes corrupted files and stale settings that often cause crashes or login loops. It will also clear the cache. Keep in mind you'll be signed out of the app. Your account information, like your food logs and preferences stored on MyFitnessPal servers, will still be tied to your account and will return after you sign back in. Any unsynced offline entries may not come back, so it's best to do this when you have a stable internet connection. Once that's done, open MyFitnessPal again. You'll see the welcome screen like the first time you used it. Sign in with your account, then give the app a moment to sync your data and rebuild its cache. After the initial sync, navigate around to confirm everything loads smoothly. That's it. By opening app info, going into storage and cache, and clearing storage, you've given MyFitnessPal a clean slate on your device. This simple refresh fixes most issues, from random crashes to stubborn sync errors, and gets you back to tracking without the headaches.